I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
First, confirm your internet connection is active and stable on this device. Check Wi-Fi speed or mobile data signal and switch networks if needed. Next, sign out of your Google account and sign back in to refresh permissions and sync. Also verify the device date and time-match network time to prevent certificate or sync errors. Finally, reboot the device after signing back in to apply account and network changes. Open Settings, go to Apps, then Google Play Store to clear cache and storage. Clearing data removes corrupted search indexes that cause no results shown. Then open System Updates and update Google Play Services and Android System Web View to the latest versions. These components power search and app listings inside Play. After clearing data and updating, reboot the device so all changes take effect and background services restart cleanly. If search still shows no results, change DNS to Google DNS 8. 8, 8, 8 and 8. 8, 4, 4 to fix name resolution problems. Disable any VPN or proxy that might alter your region or block Play Store requests. Check Play Store country settings because some apps are region-locked and will not appear otherwise. As a final step, uninstall Play Store updates from app settings and then update again to restore default.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.